proud to release the second Ferrari Venom Purosangue here at RDB. It came to us in its factory matte black color. We repainted the entire vehicle because you have to with the matte vehicles and adding such a extensive body kit. This thing came out insane. Full hood replacement, which was entirely forged carbon. Every part of this car, of the kit, is actually in carbon fiber. No plastic, none of that. It's all forged carbon. So we went and painted around this hood, and we left the middle in forged carbon, as you can see. You have that crazy big front spoiler down there, which really intensifies this car, because this car, you know, face the facts, it's a Ferrari SUV, it's $500,000, but it looks a little bit weak. This really intensifies it. Now it looks like a supercar. Mind you, some people don't like forged carbon. We could get this in regular carbon. We could get it in paintable, so we could paint it all instead of doing any carbon. So you could get it in different flavors, obviously, but opted to do forged carbon again. With this hood, you get this incorporated flare. You get this add-on to the front bumper right here, so it kind of makes it a wide body. All the factory flares get replaced with their forged carbon, so it matches everything. You have this piece right here that goes on the factory fender, so it adds and it matches the hood, extended out. You have this piece right here, which looks crazy. Normally you put the Venom emblem here, but we have the Ferrari emblem, looks clean. You got the big old rocker panels right there. People don't realize how massive they are. They're huge. Doesn't look like much going on here, but this door is pretty much a wide body door now. All of this was molded on by us from Venom. So you see this vent right here. This was not existent before. This was not there. Now you have this vent right here. Looks amazing. You have this, and then you got this wild pieces right here in the back to extend it out. You have the trunk spoiler here, which is nice and tight. Looks incredible, honestly, really smooth. It goes with like the body line. This customer opted to not do the roof spoiler, so that is not there, as you can see, so clean. Big old diffuser in the back, huge actually. All forged carbon fiber, got the Venom logo right here. We also did the Venom exhaust system, which is actually race sport cats, so it's not a full straight pipe, meaning this car is not going to throw errors, it's not going to go into limp mode, and it's going to sound way better than stock. Honestly, I drove it. It sounds incredible. I've driven the Novatec ones, and Novatec is very, very expensive exhaust. This was perfect. Even if you guys don't want a Venom kit, you want an exhaust on this thing, I do recommend that contact us. We can get the Venom exhaust. Honestly, it's probably the best out there. It sounds great. I know some other exhausts that are insanely loud. It's too loud. You can't enjoy the car. This has Novatec springs, so it is lowered, and then custom AL13 wheels. Looks incredible. Our signature 23-24 inch fitment. Nobody else does it like this. Green calipers. I think the car's locked by somebody. Where's the key? We're just filming YouTube. Don't worry about it.
I have the key. I walked away. It locks by itself. I apologize.
Got a lot of comments for that one.
He doesn't do anything, but he fucking fucks up. All right.
It wasn't only the rocker panels, but you got the under rocker panels too in forged carbon. But check out this interior. This used to be all black and white. It was custom done in lime green. Such a beast like this, about $900,000 now. You want to have some type of color in the interior, really shows it off. So we got those lime green bucket seats, 4 of them. Looks crazy, amazing car. I hope you guys like it. Yeah, I hope you guys like it. We're gonna be doing a lot more of this. Venom, Mansory, 1016, Novatech, whatever you guys want, we do it all in-house right here.
All right, you guys, here we have it.
Oh, bro, thank you.
Got a beautiful G-Wagon, black G63 on gloss black wheels. This is a very nice combination, you guys. So something simple, nothing too crazy to where there's a lot of stuff on the car, but they're basic, beautiful. Mansory wheels wrapped in Toyo tires. Headed to the customer's house right now. They're actually waiting for it. Standby. Very excited. There you have it.
Alright, we have something different here finally. We are used to black Cullinans, white, Tempest Grays, and finally we have this colorway. This is called the truffle color. It is kind of like a truffle. It's between like a brown and a gray, really cool color from Rolls-Royce factory. And then the interior is also very unique because it is like a tricolor. I might butcher the names, but we have cashmere gray over here, and we have almanac, something like that. Orange. It's not your mandarin orange, kind of like a brownish orange. And you got this really cool wood feature as well, not just like your standard black or whatever. And then you have black also, so it's got a lot of cool colorway on the inside. Very unique, different. Obviously, most of the Cullinans we've been doing is just one color blast, but this is 3 colors inside. So we're gonna be incorporating some of this interior to the exterior. We're still gonna figure that out. It does have cashmere gray and double stripe on the side, which is also a different option. Usually they're no stripe or single stripe. This is a double stripe, which looks really nice. Gives us a little bit more complication because we are putting Mansory fenders on this thing, and we're gonna have to copy this double line on it and incorporate the Mansory on it. We don't want to get rid of these because these all, you have to sand them by hand, and then you got to actually buff all the panels. We've done it before, it's a nightmare. So we're going to be keeping that, incorporating the Mansory fenders in the front. And obviously all this chrome is going to be eliminated. We're going to be doing a black and truffle combination on the chromes. Obviously these moldings get eliminated as well because the Mansory panels go over that. They come off. We'll probably do truffle on the handles, and then obviously we got the forged carbon fiber Mansory all over it. The hood, we're gonna have the wide body on this thing. It's gonna have Mansory wheels, and then the front, we are going to be doing a tricolor front grille. Never seen it done before. I have an idea. I hope it's gonna come out good, but this one's gonna be all about keeping it elegant, unique. Still Rolls-Royce-like, but still add that crazy flavor of Mansory on it, and hopefully stun the world with this build. So stay tuned.
Oh my god. Okay, so yeah, here we go again. I hate when shit gets moved here. Now everything's moved again. It's gonna take me an hour.
There be a coffee stain.
It's gonna take an hour to fix it.
Oh man,
It's not that
there goes
bad.
4 hours of cleaning the 4 hours of cleaning the table.
Javier, move your fucking car.
And you know he heard you. He's just ignoring you. You know, right?
Javi.
Alright, you guys, we have this beautiful Lamborghini Murcielago. We have Javier taking a look at it. You guys know this was a car that we previously did some body work to, front and rear bumpers and all that stuff. Javier is taking a door panel out right now, so this window is not going up, which is a problem because we need to make sure the window works. So we're gonna see what's going on with it. It might even be a window motor or regulator, we don't know. We're gonna check, find out right now, get the parts, get it going. Javier will do the amazing install that he always does, and then the window will work and the customer can take it home. That's it for this one.
Oh, hi. Can I show you something?